Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with the help of mobile money via Binance P2P. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in order to buy from Binance via P2P, all that you need to do is to log into your Binance account. Remember, before you go into trading, you have to make sure that your account has been verified. After creating your account, you have to be sure that your account has been verified. So how do you know your account has been verified? So if you want to confirm whether your account has been verified or not, you have to go ahead at the very top. As you can see at the top, you see the Binance logo is shown at the very top. Just go ahead and tap on the Binance logo, and once you do that, you see at the very top it says verified. So once you see verified, that means that your account has been verified by Binance. Then you can go ahead and then perform your trading. Now at the same time, as you can see, you are seeing that at the very bottom I'm seeing market, square, trade, discover, and then portfolio, which simply means that this interface is what we call the Binance Lite. You are supposed not to be in the Binance Lite, you're supposed to be in Binance Pro in order to be able to go ahead and perform this action. So for that case, you need to click on the Binance logo once again. So as you do that, you see Binance Pro. If you are seeing Binance Lite, you need to tap on Binance Lite, and then you tap on the Binance, and you tap on the Binance logo once again. Then you see Binance Pro, then you tap on that. So we have to go ahead and change from this Lite. So this option is a Lite mode. You have to change to the Pro. So we're going to tap on Binance Pro as you see below. Just tap on that, and then you can see extra features has been shown. So now when you go ahead and tap on the Binance logo again, I can see there's Binance Lite. So you always have to see Binance Lite below as you see here before you can proceed with the action you're about to perform. So in order to buy and sell via Binance P2P, so you can see when I tap on the Binance logo, there's an option below here that is called P2P. I can just tap on it. So I'm going to show you ways you can get the P2P launch. So we're just going to tap on P2P, and then it takes us to the P2P interface. Let's just go back. Let's go back again, and this time around, when you're on your dashboard, as you can see from here, all that we need to do, instead of us clicking on the Binance logo, we can also click below. You see we have home, market, trade, features, and then what, wallet. So you just have to go ahead and tap on wallet. Now once you tap on wallet, you can see over here under overview, there is deposit, there is withdrawal, there is buy, and then there's what, trade. So for our case, we want to buy and sell. So we are actually going to go in for the bottom as you see written as what, buy. So we tap on buy, and then it takes us to the P2P interface. Let's go back again. Another means to be or go into the P2P's interface, as you can see at the very top, as you see we have overview. Another tab there is what we call funding. So we're going to go ahead and tap on funding. So let's go ahead and tap on funding. Right in here, you're also going to see P2P. So just go ahead and tap on P2P, and you can see at the very top we have GHS with P2P at the center, and you can see what we're going to do is, if you are not in Ghana, you have to make sure that your currency is set to the particular location where you find yourself. So because I am in Ghana, if yours is not, if you are in Ghana and yours also is not set yours is not set to GHS, just click on the drop down where you see GHS, and then you can actually place where you see please enter currency. Type in here your currency. So if it's GHS, you tap on GHS, that is Ghana, and then you click on that particular currency, and then you'll be presented to a lot of agents will be available in here for you to work with. Now, yes, you can also see that we have buy and sell buttons at the very top, as you can see from here. When you want to buy crypto via mobile money, then you decide to go ahead and click on buy, and then a lot of merchants will be available with buy button right against them. You can click on them, and then you can be able to buy the crypto. If you want to sell to receive mobile money from that particular from an agent, you click on sell, and then you'll be presented with agents that are available to sell cryptos to you via mobile money. So that is what you can see right here. So for our case, we're going to start with the buying, then after we're actually going to sell. So we click on buy, and then right below buy, you can see you have USDT, you have amount, you have payment. So depending on the amount you want to purchase, for our case, we want to purchase an amount of 100 cedis. We want to convert 100 cedis into crypto. So we will select 100 cedis, And then you can see that merchants that are available to sell 100 cedis will be available. So you can see here, the first agent is ready to sell us an amount of 100 cedis. So the limit is 100 to 405. So that means that the currency, if you're buying an amount in mobile money less than 100 cedis, this agent can't sell it to you. And if you are buying more than 405, the agent can also sell to you as well. At the same time, or you see fastest dash coin, you can see that there's an icon next to it where you see a green button on top of it. Simply means that this agent is online. What you also have to look out for is the number of trades, where you see 728 trades, and then you check the number, the rating. The rating should be above 90 plus, then you can decide to go for that particular agent. For our case, we are not going to. What you also look out for is the minutes that it will take for the person or for the agent to release your or send your crypto to your account. And then you also check the payment method. Over here, this agent is accepting mobile money. I don't want to go for mobile money. I'm going to make payment via Telecel Cash. Remember, this second person, God over everything, can accept that. I can decide to go with this person. But for my case, I'm going to select on payment. And then you can see right here, the payment methods is available. Look through and choose the payment method of your choice. If it is MTN, you select MTN. If it is Telecel Cash, you select Telecel Cash. For our case, we're going to do the payment via Telecel Cash. So we select Telecel Cash, and then we confirm that. And it's going to fish out and give us Telecel merchants right here. So you can see these are all the merchants that we have available. Now, as you can see, the first agent, okay, so the first agent is God over everything. So this agent has a rate of what? 99.83, and he has traded 2253, which means it's good. I can go in for this particular agent. And then the rate in here, so if you're buying, make sure that the rate, the amount that you are actually going to select, you can see that $1 is equivalent to 15.89 cents, which means that is equivalent of what? $1. So $1 is equivalent to 15.89 Ghana cedis. So you can see the other agent. So make sure that you select the least amount and make sure that agent is also what? Online. So I'm going to make payment via Telecel Cash, and this agent accepts it. And the amount I want to purchase, you see, this has a range of what? 80 to 1,930 Ghana cedis. So I'm going to click on buy because I qualify and I can buy from this agent. But before we try to place the order, what I want to show you is that you can see there's USDT currency selected. If I want to buy another currency, or if I want to buy not USDT but a different currency, I can click on the drop down, select the currency I want to purchase. If it is Bitcoin, I can select it. If it's BNB I want to purchase, select the currency of your choice, then you can proceed. So if it is BTC, just tap on BTC. BTC will be available, and its corresponding agents also will be available to buy from. I want to go in for USDT, and that is selected, and the agent will be available. Then we can go ahead and click on buy once again. So the amount you want to purchase will be set right there for you. And then your Telecel card, because we said we want to make payment via Telecel card, that will be selected. And then we also go ahead and then we click on what? Place order. So now once we place an order, you can see there's an agent right here. So let's click on chat, and then the agent will be available for you to work with. So that is the agent right here, as you can see. So this agent has given me the agent ID of what? 912868. So I can go ahead and copy this ID. Then it says that I have to go ahead and then make payment. And the one who's going to receive this payment, because it's Telecel Cash, we have to go in for Telecel Cash. So we're actually going to go ahead and then make payment. I have to just go back to my mobile money account and then make payment via Telecel Cash. So I'm just going to dial *110. Then I'm going to input, or I'm going to withdraw from agent, and then input here the ID. And then the amount is 100 cedis. Then I'll confirm my PIN. Then God over everything venture. So that is right. So I'm going to confirm. Then I'm going to wait for the notification. So you can see the 100 CD has been sent, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Then I'll go back to the Binance account, log into my Binance account once again, and I'm going to go back because I am done. So I'm going to click on view payment details. Then I'm going to click on transfer. Then I'm going to click and then upload the image. So the first one here is uploaded. Check on this and then you transfer, notify seller. So just waiting for the agent to approve my payment. Alright, so you can see it says your order of, so I've received 6 point something USDT into my account. So now I can go back and confirm. So just click on the back button and then it says order again. So I've received 6.24 USDT. So that's how easy it was. So I'm going to review counterparty. So I'm just going to go for positive because he did something good. And then the transaction was very fast. So I'm going to leave as what? Anonymous. And then I'm going to leave comment. That is how simple it is. Then you can go back once again, refresh your interface, and you should see the amount credited. So you see I have 6.25 USDT credited to my account. So that is how easy you can actually buy from Binance P2P via mobile money. So now that we've confirmed, you also want to learn how to withdraw, or if you also want to learn how to sell out this currency. So we're just going to click on P2P once again. Then what we need to do next is to click on, instead of buying now, we're going to click on sell. This time around, we want to sell the currency that we actually bought. So let's see how that is done. Then over here, we're going to look out for the amount, the highest amount, as you can see from here. So this one is selling $1 equivalent to what, 15.90 Ghana cedi, which is quite good order. But the problem here is that it does not accept mobile money, so we can't do that. So what we're going to do is let's click on payment and then select our payment method, because we're going to receive via telesale cash. Then the amount you want to receive. So let's tap on the amount that you want to receive. So let's say we want to receive an amount of 100 cedis. So we click on, let me confirm that. Then you see that this agent is willing to sell out via telesale cash 15.58, 15.55. So the highest here is 15.58, which is quite okay. It's going to take less than within 30 minutes. I receive this trade and the person is online, so I can go ahead and sell out to this agent. Then because I've already linked up my wallet, that's why you can see that it's shown there. Actually, I will not be able to receive this particular amount, 100 cedi, because the balance is not enough. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of using pay via by fiat, I'm going to click on crypto. Then I'm going to click on max. It will give me an amount that I can actually withdraw. So what we're going to do, if you haven't linked your account, you have to click on this drop down where you see telesale cash. You tap on that drop down and then you go ahead and then you add your account. So you can see there's an option. If you want to add telesale cash, you click on that plus symbol against mobile money, MT mobile money. If it's telesale cash, you click on the plus sign against telesale cash. And then you have to input in here your full name, and then the amount, what they call the phone number of that particular account. And then once you're done, you confirm and then it will be saved, so that when they send the money, they're actually going to send it to your account. As easy as that. So you have to link it up before you can be able to place an order. If you haven't done that, you'll be asked to do that. Then you link up your account to receive your money. So then after everything is being done successfully, we just have to go ahead and click on place an order. Then the last thing I have to do is to confirm my details. So you confirm your details. If it is right, you check your full name and you check your phone number. Is that the same number you're expected to receive from? If it's good, then you can do. If it's not, you can chat with the agent and then you just input in your full details that you should send the money to that particular number. That's how easy it is. So we are just waiting So the payment, we are waiting for the payment. As I said, is expected to receive payment in 3 minutes. So if possible, let me chat the agent. Just input a message as waiting for payment. Okay, so the payment is already released. So let's wait for the notification. So the payment has been released. So let's confirm before we can approve this particular amount. So let's wait. All right. So as you can see, payment amount of 96 Ghana cedi has been received. So we can confirm if really the amount was received. So already, so I received the amount. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on. So always make sure you confirm your wallet to be sure that the amount has been credited before you click on payment received. So for my case, I have confirmed that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on receive payment received. Then I'll select I have received from the exact payment. Click on that and then you click on confirm release. Then you have to provide your verification details to call so that you can release the amount. So just click on verification. So I'm trying to verify that. So now you can see that we've actually sold an amount of 96 Ghana cedi and we have actually received it as well. So we sold 6.19 USDT and it was sent to our mobile money account via Telecel Cash and we receive what 96 Ghana cedis. So this is how you can buy and sell via mobile money using Binance P2P. I hope this video was useful. You can leave your comments, suggestions, everything in the comment section so that I will be available to attend to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.